Okay guys, back with another fun fact about jewelry, except we're still on our coin series. And before I put these quarters up, I noticed something that I kind of want to tell you guys about that we're going to need in the next videos coming up. So coins are graded, wow, they're graded in so many different categories. But what I want you to see is the wear on this quarter here from 1942. And then 1960, 64, and then 44. So let's put these in chronological order. And I was lucky enough to find these four, and the wear patterns are pretty consistent. So see how this is a little bit more wear, maybe a little less and less and less. And then you get into a modern day quarter. I think this is a 2024 or 23 or something like that. But anyway, see how much less wear this one has, of course, because it's newer, and also because it's a different kind of metal. Remember in our last video, we talked about quarters being made out of 90% silver pre-1964, and then after 1964, 10% silver and a lot of nickel and stuff like that. Well, that's the reason they don't wear quite as quickly. But anyhow, back to this. So different seasons of wear or different degrees of wear dictate the value of a quarter, or any coin for that matter. The U.S. Mint classifies wear from a perfect proof, and this would be a proof where it's in a plastic case like that. It's never seen air. It's in a plastic case, and it's certified and all that good stuff. So that is a perfect proof. And then you have proof, uncirculated, extra fine, very poor, all the way down. If you get to a quarter or a coin and you can't read the date and the president's head is almost rubbed off, that's going to be poor grading category. This is uncirculated. It comes in a little card, and it has a different, it's unable to be circulated basically, so it's uncirculated. And so anyway, back to the top is the proof I showed you in the plastic case, and then you go down through the grades. Now, some of you guys can put in the comments, would be wonderful. I don't know what changes a proof to uncirculated. I'm not sure of that. So I'm just telling you what the categories are, and you can Google search them. There is probably over 50 different categories of wear of a coin. I just did this video so you'd be aware that there are grading categories for wear. They go from poor, very fine, extra fine, uncirculated, all the way up to a perfect proof. Anyhow, real quick about the categories of wear on a coin, and I'll be back with the next video shortly.